Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw Knuckles from Sonic the Hedgehog. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the eye. So starting right here, I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to curve down, and then it's going to curve up here like this. Then, starting right up here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down a little bit. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve, and I'm going to leave some space right there. Next, I'm going to just draw a little curved line up here, and that's going to be part of his cheek, so it's kind of blocking this part of his eye. Now, right here by this little curved line that I made, I want to make another line that's just going to go up and then kind of curve down. And then I'm going to make a really skinny line that just kind of curves to here for the other eye. Next, starting here, you're going to draw a line that goes out for a little bit, and then it's just going to kind of curve back, and we're going to come right to about here. Then at the end here, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of goes out, curves around, and I'm just going to color in a little bit of it, just because he's got kind of a shine on his nose. Now, right in here, I want to make his mouth. So starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up to here. Then I'm going to make another line that's just going to kind of curve around here. And then I'm going to put a couple little zigzag lines in there for his little sharp teeth. Now right here, you want to make a line that's just going to kind of curve down right to about here for part of his hair. And then we're just going to kind of curve it back up, leave it with like a point at the end, and then kind of bring it back up. Then I'm going to add a little curved line on top of here for the eyebrow. Make it a little bit longer. Now, over here on this eye, you want to draw a line that's just going to curve up and then down here for his other eyebrow. And then starting right here on the eyebrow, you want to make a line that's just going to go up. It's going to kind of come to a point up here, and then it's just going to curve down to about here. Then I'm going to make it a little bit longer, and then I'm going to curve it up. I'm going to make a line here that's just going to kind of curve down and then come up here. And then right here, I'm just going to make another line that's just going to kind of curve down, and this one's going to stop right about there. Now, starting right here, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to curve down. And then I'm going to make another line that curves down, and it's going to get a little bit wider out here, a little bit skinnier here, and a little bit wider here. Then, at the end here, I'm going to make a little line that goes up, curves around, and then comes down, and then just connect it here. That's going to be kind of like the wrist part of his glove. Then, now that I have this drawn, I'm going to continue this line. I'm going to go right down to here, and then I'm just going to kind of curve it up. And then right here, at the tip of this one, I'm going to draw a curved line for his body. And then I'm going to draw another little curved line for one of his spikes. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out, and then it's just going to kind of come back down to here for his body. And then I'm going to continue this down to right about here for his leg. Make a little curved line, and then just draw a line that just comes back up. His legs are really skinny. Now, let's finish this hand first. So, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to come down to about here. And then I'm going to start here and just draw a line that goes down, and I'm going to curve it up and then down and up again. He's got really big hands. Add a little sad face right here. And then on here, I'm going to make a spike. So I'm going to draw a line that goes out, it's going to go up, and then kind of curve around. It looks like a cone. Make sure this is connected, and then just start here and draw another curved line down to here to finish off the hand. Right here, I'm going to make a V with a curve on top for that other spike. And then right here, you want to draw a line that's just going to curve down to the thumb. It can kind of jump down here, curve, and then come right to there. And then just draw a little curved line there. Don't let it touch that spike, leave a little bit of space. And then where I have this curved line for his back, I'm going to jump over here to his arm, draw a line that goes up. It's going to come down at an angle to a point, and then come back here for his tail. I'm going to draw a little line right there for some space. Okay, let's do this arm next. So, starting right here by his chest, I'm just going to draw a line that goes straight down at an angle, and then it's going to curve back for his arm. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. It's going to go like this. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves around. It's going to come to about here. And then I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves down, and then it's going to go up to here. You want to curve it around and down for the thumb. And then I'm just going to continue this line. I'm going to go up, down, and then curl around here. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve up. It's going to kind of go at a little bit of a rounded point and then come down. I'm going to add a little curved line here and an extra little line here. And then I'm going to put 2 triangles on each end here, just for the little spikes on his knuckles. Then, coming out here, I'm going to make a line that just goes out and then kind of curves back for another spike. Then right here, for his shoes, I'm going to make a little oval here. And then I'm just going to make another little oval right there. 2 lines that go down with a curve. Same thing here, just 2 lines down with a nice curve. And then his shoes. So, to start off, I'm going to make like a rectangle shape on his shoes. So I'm going to do one there, and then I'm going to do one right here. This one is kind of a little bit more of a trapezoid, a little bit bigger here, skinnier down here. I'm going to make a nice big curve on here. It's going to go down and then come back to here. This shoe right here, I'm going to curve down. I'm going to go in, and then it's going to get really rounded here and then come to here. Then I'm just going to draw a line that curves down to here and then connect this. Now, starting on this shoe, I'm going to redraw this line. So I'm going to go down and then just kind of follow it again, curve to here. And then same thing here, just kind of curve it around. I'm going to draw 2 little lines on here, and then 2 little lines on here. And then I'm just going to put some circles on top of here on his shoe. Kind of looks like he's got little Lego pieces on there. Now, on his chest, I'm going to just draw a line that's just going to curve down, and then it's going to go right up to here. And then I'm going to draw another smaller version of that right there. And then finally, the last part is his pupils. So right here, I'm just going to draw a tall, skinny oval. And then I'm going to just color in most of it except for a little spot of white. And then over here, I'm just going to color in a little spot right there. And there you go. There is your drawing of Knuckles. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.